Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Monday, April the 25th, 2016. May corn finished today up 7¼ cents today, settling at $3.77. We started the night last night down a couple pennies, only to be and join in the rally that soybeans began this morning to have a pretty strong day and finish basically in the middle of the trading range there at gaining 7¼ cents. The funds helped fuel that rally today, buying 16,000 contracts, and additional fundamental news such as weather concerns begin to play a little bit of a role in the price action. We've got cool and wet weather being talked about in the Midwest, but we had a crop progress report out just a little bit ago, and Illinois stood out as 43% projected planting in corn. So you can see that any delays can be made up fairly quickly with today's machinery. And this isn't just another reason, the price action, I should say, is another reason that we really encourage our producers to have those open orders out there above the market, so that when volatility does come in and price moves up quickly, you can take advantage of that movement. We had 16% for a 5-year average for corn, but 30% was the number that the USDA released as having where we are currently in the U.S. today. We will be rolling into the May contract, as first notice day is Friday. May 16 beans were up 13¼ cents today, selling at $9.99 3/4. The D's contract, or rather the November contract for beans, was up 12 cents at $9.97 3/4. We got another chance today to book some of those higher prices that we saw last week and thought had gotten away from us when we had that big losing day on Friday. But we traded as high as 10.20 in the nearby today, and 10.12 for the fall contract. So be aware, there is potential to get another chance at some of that pricing. The crop progress report shows 3% of soybeans have been planted, which is, as you know as well as I do, pretty insignificant at this point. We printed an outside bar today and closed in the middle of a 42-cent trading range today. July 16 wheat was up 3½ cents, selling at $4.77 3/4. Wheat didn't have nearly as big a day as the other two. It looks to be returning to weakness as the stochastics are beginning to come out of overbought, pointing down. So we are looking for that downside target to come into play somewhere around 4.40 for July wheat. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday. Look forward to talking with you tomorrow afternoon.